Apple, a $3.4 trillion company, putting so much into research and development, comes out every year with a new product that is poised to revolutionize the industry and dictate the direction the whole tech industry is going to take. Today, Apple is selling products in a wide range of categories like desktop, laptops, smartphones, tablets, smartwatches, headsets, and so many more. And don't forget the software that Apple produces. In 1984, Apple marketed their new revolutionary computer, the Macintosh or Mac, derived from the word Macintosh, a type of apple, the fruit. This was a stroke of genius as far as product naming is concerned. This could bring homogeneity in Apple's naming scheme. Each new product type could be named after a type of apple, like, and it's just from the top of my head, iPhone could be named Ambrosia, iPad could be called Idared, and so on. Instead, Apple opted to go for inventing totally new words and spending so much more on R&D. These names were right there for the taking, and to me, it seems like a missed opportunity. Now I know that the names Apple chose worked out for them in a massive way, and of course, there was a lot of thought put into it. And maybe there could be some legal reasons for not naming their products after actual fruit. But this is just a childish desire of mine that after realizing, I just could not stop thinking about, and it grinds my gears. Now here is a list of some of the type of apples, the fruit, and I want you to pause the video and go through these names and come up with the names you would give to Apple products like the iPhone, iPad, MacBook, and the Apple Watch, etc. This is one of my many tech gripes, tech things that grind my gears. Do you have anything or any trend in the tech or gaming industry that gives you the shivers? Let us know in the comments.